All right, so now we're going to add mixed numbers with regrouping. And just for your information, so here's kind of the steps that I'm going to be doing. It's not necessarily going to be lined up with these, just so you're aware. Uh, but let's go ahead and begin. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just rewrite my expression, but I'm going to break it down into parts. So I have two wholes, so I have 3 plus 4. Okay, and then I'm going to add my fractions plus, oh, come on, plus 8/11 plus 2/3. Okay, so the good thing with addition, order does not matter. Okay, the associated property of addition. All right, so now I'm gonna do, so I can add, before I add anything, I'm just gonna hold off. I gotta take care of these fractions. I can't add these fractions together because they have different denominators. So I gotta get their denominators the same. Okay, but so I gotta find equivalent fractions of each of these with the same denominator. So I have 8/11. Let's see, plus 2/3 equals. So I'm gonna look at my denominators. I'm gonna look at the biggest one, and I need to find a common denominator between. I'm sorry, a common multiple between 11 and 3. So I'm just gonna start skip counting, or finding my multiples at 11, and then until I get to one that 3 shares a common multiple. So I have 11. Is 3 a multiple of 11? I mean, is 11 a multiple of 3? No. 22. Is 22 a multiple of 3? No. 33. Is 33 a multiple of 3? And the answer is yes. And so that's going to be my common denominator. I'm just going to go ahead and write my two fractions with the denominator, so plus, so whatever they, all right, so that's my denominator, 33. All right, now I got to get those denominators the same. I have to change it the same, I have to change it the same amount. Otherwise, if I put 8/33s there, that's not the same thing as 8/11s. So I multiplied 11 times 3 to get 33. So I'm going to multiply 8 times 3 and I get 24. So 3 times 11 is 33. So 11 times 2 is 22. All right. Now I can go ahead and start adding all my parts together. So I'm going to rewrite the fraction. So I have 3 plus 4 plus 24. I changed the color on you guys. Plus 24 plus 22. All right, and that's going to give me, oh, sorry, not 24 plus 24 33s plus 22 33s. And that's going to give me, it's going to give me 7 plus, and then 24 22s would be 26, 36, 46, 33s. Now, what is wrong with that fraction? Right? That is an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator, so that means it's more than a whole. So I need to convert that 46 into a mixed number, and that's going to be, so my new expression is going to be 7 plus 46 33s would be 1, and then I would have 46 minus 33, 13, 33s, 33rds, sorry. So now I go ahead and finish it up, and my answer would be 8 and 13 33rds. All right. Oh, that's a really ugly 33. Go ahead and fix that for you guys. All right. And 1333s is actually in simplest form. I can't simplify any further, so that is the only answer. All right. So it's just the same thing, just the answers. All right, go ahead and pause the video. If you would like to try this on your own, go ahead and do so, and hit resume when you're ready to go over the answer. All right, so welcome back. I'm going to do this one kind of quickly. I'm not going to talk through the steps. I'm just going to kind of do it and then go over it. So I have, and I'm going to do it all in black just to save some time. 7, 5, oop, 7 plus 5/8. I don't have a whole number on that other fraction, so it's just 5/8 plus 3/4. Okay. Now I need to convert 5/8 plus 3/4. Right? It's the same thing as 5/8 because 8 is a common multiple of 4, and 6/8. Okay. Oh, not plus. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite the equation. 7 plus 5/8 plus 6/8, and that's going to get me 7 and 11/8. Okay, so now I need to convert that and proper fraction to a mixed number, and that's going to be 7 plus 1 and 3/8. That's going to be 8 and 3/8. And that is already simplified. All right. So hopefully that worked out. If you'd like to try another example, go ahead and do this one. Hit pause and resume the video when you're ready to go. All right, so welcome back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go through the steps. I'm going to break it down. So 12 plus 2 plus 10/15 plus 55/60. Okay. I take care of these fractions to get them the same denominator. So 10/15 plus 55/60. All right, 60 is a common multiple of 15, so 40/60 plus 55/60. Now I'm going to rewrite my expression. So 12 plus 2 plus 40/60 plus 55/60. That's going to give me 14 and 95/60. Okay, now I need to convert that 95/60 into a mixed number. So that's going to be 14 plus 1 and 35/60. And that's going to be 15 and 35/60. Okay, so that's okay for an answer, but I'm going to make it better because I can simplify 35 and 60 even further. So 35, I'm going to do 35/60. I'm going to simplify that fraction. That's going to be 5 is a common factor, so 7, 12, and so 15 35/60 equals 15 and 7/12. So this answer is good. That answer is better. All right, and so go ahead. That's adding mixed numbers with regrouping. Next thing we're going to be doing, and the toughest part is doing the same thing with subtraction and regrouping.